Honey, fly it closer to you so I can get you both in the shot.
Yeah, I'll try. I'm a little afraid that I'm not quite in control yet, honey. But it's pretty stable.
Yeah, you did good. God, it sounds cool too. Yeah. John wanted to see it. He waited for a little while. He was going up north.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Can you fly it over my head?
Yeah, give me,
Whoa, look at that. Nice and quiet. That's nice. Yeah. Well, you're welcome to come and fly over here anytime you want.
thank you.
Oh!